define the carrying capacity of lifeboat. No lifeboat can be accommodated more than 150 person. Number of person lifeboat permitted to accommodate shall be equal to the lesser of number of person having an average mass of 82.5 kg and wearing life jacket, sitting in normal position without interfering with the means of propulsion or operation of lifeboat equipment, or sufficient room for all complement, foot rest to be provided, and sufficient room for legs, and vertical separation from upper seat to lower seat should be not less than 350 mm.